Those green onion roots you're about to throw in the bin? Don't. Put them in a glass of water, leave them near a window, and in about a week, you'll be snipping fresh green tops from your kitchen counter. You need the white root end of a green onion, roughly an inch long, roots still attached. A glass, water. That's the full list. No soil, no seeds. This might genuinely be the lowest effort thing you'll ever actually grow. Cut just above where the white meets the green, leaving about an inch of the base. The roots have to be intact. Dried out or trimmed all the way off, that one won't come back. Stand them upright in a glass with about half an inch of water, just enough to cover the roots, and put it near a window. Now, change the water every 2 days. I know, sounds like a footnote. It isn't. Stale water breeds bacteria, and what you end up with instead of green onions is something sad that smells like regret. Fresh water is basically the whole trick. Took me longer than I'd like to admit to work that out. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll see the green tops starting to push up. By day 5, they're usually 3 to 4 inches tall. At day 7, snip what you need, leave the roots sitting in the water, and they'll grow back. A couple more times at least. One honest thing, you're regrowing the green tops, not a whole new onion. The flavor's mild, good for finishing dishes, not a swap for a full bunch from the market. But there's something a bit strange and good about pulling fresh greens from what you almost threw away. It's small, it works. When the regrowth slows after a few harvests, move the roots into a small pot of soil. They'll keep going for months.